You can see the computer vision detection software detect the smart dust, a self-assembling smart dust that spells things, characters clearly, on the glass itself. What these characters are, that's completely subjective. I get it, but I know what they are. I can see them, and I've shown you. I've proven the impossible. Yeah. 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 Because I go writing my name all over shit, invisible ink style, on everything. Geez, my man. I swear to God, if this isn't intended to save the world by these people doing this, they have to. Yeah, the Pays bubble, they call it. It's called the Pays bubble by them. We can clearly observe characters in this. Stop it. Should I go get my mixed reality decoder ring or something? This is how they play to people's ego and make them look crazy. This is what this is supposed to do, make me look like a narcissist. Look, my name's in the sky. You can't be serious, bro. When it really is, in fact, and so is yours, if it is needed. Just as a point of reference, that's what it looks like. It's normal. This is no trick filter, except that it's personalized to me. It's a gang stalk filter for me that I'm not that I don't approve of. In fact, I can't begin to fathom this, the reason for this, and the ability for them to do this, and what the reconciliation, equivocation, justification is. It's absolutely fucking criminal. It looks like the filming of the area itself creates, or let's say manipulates, the plasma. That's how they get away with it, because it just conforms and adapts to contours and uh, demands that are needed to remain plausibly deniable, aka hidden, deceptively uh, obscured, deceitfully surreptitious. That's enough. Thanks for watching. Please share.